Silicon Valley insiders are currently tracking a timeline that puts the arrival of artificial general intelligence within the next 36 months. Former Google officer Mo Gaudat expects that by 2027, machines will be capable of outperforming humans at any cognitive task. This projection suggests that 30% of knowledge-based jobs will disappear. The transition happens quietly, through a silent hiring freeze rather than mass layoffs. When junior employees leave, companies simply stop replacing them. AI tools are already handling the entry-level grunt work that used to require a human hire. Simply being efficient at your current tasks offers little security when the entry-level rungs of the corporate ladder are being removed. This displacement isn't confined to the office. The same intelligence is currently being integrated into autonomous defense systems. High-level reasoning enables the deployment of pilotless drones costing just $20,000 each. When these weapons can be produced at scale, the strategic advantage shifts away from traditional, human-intensive military power. While much of the public debate focuses on potential treaties to slow development, global powers are accelerating their research to maintain parity with rivals. In this environment, states that fail to adopt advanced systems risk falling behind and losing their status as competitive modern economies. Because the global arms race makes a pause impossible, no government policy is coming to save your career. Survival is entirely up to the individual. To understand why this is happening, we have to look at labor arbitrage, the model of hiring humans to create services for slightly less than they sell for. This chart shows the economic reality. A human salary remains static, while AI compute tokens plunge toward zero. As tokens get cheaper, middle management thins. One worker with a high-end model replaces 4 legacy analysts. This transition represents a core capitalist mechanism functioning exactly as designed to maximize profit by eliminating expensive human overhead. We can see this in a simple daily task, like launching a digital marketing broadcast. Historically, this required a team to manage GDPR consent cookies, set up tests, and pull queries. Now, a single AI agent can build that entire back-end architecture, write the copy, and deploy the message in seconds. This allows a worker to utilize borrowed IQ, using digital intelligence to supercharge their output far beyond their own base capacity. If a job involves clicking through a computer interface to process data, it cannot compete with a machine that runs on a fraction of a cent. As raw analytical processing becomes infinite and virtually free, the economic premium previously placed on logic and data analysis vanishes. The skills that retain their value are those requiring emotional resonance, leadership, empathy, and the ability to connect with other people. Real-world physical trades also remain insulated. Functional robotics lag far behind software, making it difficult for machines to replicate complex physical tasks. A coder is vulnerable to an improved algorithm, but a carpenter remains essential. Specialized physical interaction is a distinctly human domain. Survival depends on shifting away from digital task completion and leaning into these irreplaceable human qualities. The current landscape requires treating AI as an immediate, personal workforce. You have to master these interfaces to multiply your output, while simultaneously pivoting towards roles centered on human connection. Resisting this shift guarantees a loss of relevance as the surrounding economy continues to automate. The 2027 deadline is absolutely firm, and the global transition to this new automated economic model is already fully underway. The window is closing. Hit subscribe to track these shifts and start using these tools before the transition leaves you behind.